Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to the Sofwave virtual event. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Jennifer Petrus. I am an esthetician here at Laser Skin and Wellness. I'm very excited for this live event because we're going to be talking about Sofwave, explaining the process of the treatments, what it does, how it works. I do encourage everyone to stay to the end. There's going to be a chance for you to submit questions on the question tab, and we'll have some live interaction, and I'm just happy to help you and answer any questions that you will have. And it's going to be a really great event. The Sofwave is a technology that helps to stimulate the production of collagen, so we call that collagen induction therapy. And the reason why we do it is to improve texture, fine lines. It's going to target a little bit of tightening in different areas, the jawline, the submental area, for overall a smoother, softer, tighter skin. With this treatment, we are accomplishing collagen induction therapy, of course. So we're targeting the fine lines, the wrinkles. We're also getting tightening. And one of the reasons why it is unique and is a great treatment to choose from is it is safe for all skin types due to the ultrasound technology. Anybody can do this treatment. So we're going to get some nice tightening along the jawline. We're also going to get some nice tightening in the neck. It's going to do a little bit of lifting of the neck just to improve that overall texture. There's no downtime after a Sofwave treatment, and your results are going to be a slow progression, peaking at about 6 months post-treatment.
Hi.
My name's Jennifer. I'm the esthetician here.
Hi, Jen. I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming in today.
Sure.
Okay. So I know you're here for consultation. Let's talk about what your goals are, what you're thinking, what bothers you, what areas concern you the most. I'm going to give you the mirror and you can just kind of point out to me what you're thinking.
So the main thing that bothers me is this right here.
Okay.
It's just like lax skin.
A little bit of crinkliness.
And a little bit, I'm getting jowly here.
Okay.
So I want something to tighten that up a little bit.
Okay.
So what treatment is good for that?
So I do think the Sofwave is a good option for you.
Okay.
It is an ultrasound device that's going to deliver heat into the dermis. It goes about 1.5 millimeters in depth, and what it's going to do is it's actually going to heat that tissue. So it's going to give you that collagen contraction and tightening.
Okay.
Over time. It's a gradual treatment, so it's not going to happen instantaneously.
Okay.
However, you do get some collagen contraction immediately post-treatment.
Okay.
So you'll kind of get a little bit of a glimpse of what's going to happen. But we'll just give you some, just several hundred pulses, and we'll go down the neck. We're going to go on this side, and we're going to go down the neck, and then we're going to do this in the submental area.
Okay.
I do not pulse over the thyroid, but we can definitely move that skin around, and we can target it.
Okay.
I would like to thank everyone for being a part of this Sofwave virtual event. Just remember to keep an eye on your email because we're going to be announcing the winners through email of any specials and giveaways. And I do encourage everyone that has any further questions, you can contact me through the questions box, and we can just discuss any other questions that you have. And I thank you so much.